Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 11 related to Laplace transform. So what is basically that type? Evaluation of the integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus at into t into f of t into dt. So what you need to remember, this is the given format. So you have to divide entire example into three parts. So let's consider first example to understand type number 11. So what is given? We have to evaluate integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t into t into sin t into dt. So what we need to do, as I said, we have to divide the given example into three different parts. So let's consider this is first part, second part and third part. So if you compare with the standard result, what I said, if you compare with the standard result, you have to identify what is f of t. So in this particular question, f of t is equal to sin t. Then you need to check the second part. What is given? T into sin t. So if you remember, in last video we have learned effect of multiplication by t. If you need to calculate Laplace of t into f of t, then which formula you need to apply? Minus 1 raised to n into d raised to n upon ds raised to n into phi of s, if you remember. Okay, for that please go through the previous video to understand what is effect of multiplication by t. So in this particular example, as I told you, first you have to simply divide the given example into three different parts, and then you need to start from the f of t function. So let's begin with the solution. Solution 1. What we have to calculate? Evaluate e raised to minus 3t t into sin t into dt. As I told you, first you have to take the Laplace transform of sin t, that is f of t. What is the standard formula for Laplace of sin at? Laplace of sin at is equal to a upon s square plus a square. So in this particular question, if you observe carefully, it is sine of 1t. So what is Laplace of sine 1t? Which is nothing but equal to 1 upon s square plus 1. I hope you have understood till this step. Next is what? As I told you, as per the effect of multiplication by t, we have to calculate Laplace of t into sin t. As per the formula, what is the value of n? N is equal to 1 into d by ds of phi of s. What is phi of s? Phi of s is nothing but equal to Laplace of f of t. Here phi of s is 1 upon s square plus 1. So what we have to do? We have to take the derivatives of this particular function with respect to s. So after taking the derivatives, what you will get? You need to apply u by v rule. How you are going to find out derivatives of u by v? What is the formula? V as it is into derivatives of u minus u as it is into derivatives of v upon v square. Am I right? So in this case, if I consider this is u, this is v, we have to apply u by v rule. So as per the u by v rule, v as it is, that is s square plus 1 as it is into derivatives of 1 with respect to s, the constant term derivatives is 0 minus 1 as it is into derivatives of v with respect to s would be what? 2s plus 0 upon, we need to write s square plus 1 whole square. I hope you have understood till this step. You need to apply u by v rule. So after applying u by v rule, you will be getting minus 1 into minus 2s upon s square plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 2s upon s square plus 1 whole square. But what is given in the question? We have to evaluate integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t t into sin t into dt, which is equal to, as per the evaluation of integral, we have to put or we have to substitute s is equal to 3. So what would be the answer you will get? 2 into 3 divided by 3 square is 9 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 6 upon 10 square is 100, which is nothing but equal to 3 upon 50. So the evaluation part is equal to 3 upon 50. I hope you have understood how to apply type number 11, that is evaluation of integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 80 t into f of t into dt. In this case, you have to divide the given example into three parts. First, you have to take the Laplace of f of t. Once you have done with that, then you have to apply effect of multiplication of t. Whatever answer you will get, in that, as per the evaluation of integral, you have to substitute s is equal to a. So in this case, the a value is 3. So in this case, we have substituted s is equal to 3 in the answer. So you will be getting 3 upon 50 is the final answer. I hope you have understood example number 1. Similarly, we'll consider example number 2 to understand this type. So what is given? The solution to we need to calculate. So what is given? Integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t t into cos t into dt. So as I told you, you have to divide the given example into three parts. Am I right? You need to divide the given example into three parts. So as per the standard formula, what is the value of f of t? In this particular example, f of t is nothing but equal to cos t. So let's begin with Laplace of cos t. What is Laplace of cos t? Which is nothing but equal to s upon s square plus 1. The next step is what? You have to apply effect of multiplication by t rule. So as per the effect of multiplication by t, what would be the answer? What would be the formula you need to apply? Minus 1 raised to n d raised to n upon ds raised to n into phi of s. So here again the n value is 1. So you have to substitute minus 1 raised to 1 d upon ds inside the bracket s upon s square plus 1. I hope you have understood how to apply effect of multiplication by t. So as I told you in the previous example, this is in the form of u by v. So you need to apply derivatives of u by v. So how you are going to apply derivatives of u by v? V as it is into derivatives of this particular term with respect to s is 1 minus s as it is into derivatives of this is 2s plus 0 upon s square plus 1 whole square. After this step, you need to write, you have to open the bracket, what you will get? S square plus 1 minus 2s square upon s square plus 1 whole square. So the final value for Laplace of t into cos t is equal to minus 1 minus s square plus 1 whole divided by s square plus 1 whole square, which is nothing but equal to s square minus 1 upon s square plus 1 whole square. Now the last part is remaining, that is evaluation of integral. So as per the evaluation of integral, e raised to minus 3t t into cos t into dt, we have to put s is equal to 3 in this Laplace. So what you will get, 3 square is 9 minus 1 is 8 upon 3 square is 9 plus 1, that is 10 square, which is equal to 100. So the final value is what? 2 by 25. Am I right? If you substitute here s square minus 1, that is 3 square is 9 minus 1 is 8 upon 3 square is 9 plus 1, 10 square is 100, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So you will be getting 2 by 25 is the final answer for second evaluation. I hope you have understood type number 11, that is evaluation of integral if the given example is in this format, that is integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus at into t into f of t into dt. So as I told you, you have to simply divide the given example into 3 parts and then one by one you need to solve that. So first you have to identify the f of t value, then take the Laplace transform of that. Once you have done with that, then apply effect of multiplication by t and then simply put the value of s is equal to a in the answer. So you will be getting the final value. I hope you have understood type number 1, type number 11. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.